Hello, welcome to Airsoft Sweden. Today I'm going to show you my homemade assault rifle. The parts that I have made myself is the front part right here and the stock. And to find the battery you have to unscrew this little wooden part right here, and I will show you. Now I have taken out the two screws that holds this little tree plate together, and you can take this off, and here is the battery. The reason why I rebuilt this gun is because some idiots that I was playing with made me drop it, and it split in half. So I just took some epoxy and glued it together right here. Ain't it beautiful? I have also made this homemade sight right here in the front. The original gun is a CM612 from Syma, which means it has 390 FPS and 1.40 Joule. All the black parts except for the magazine and the barrel is made of plastic. I have the original magazine, so it holds up to 300 BBs. Alright, let's have some fun. Let's go out and shoot my homemade gun. Let's shoot it in semi. And now let's shoot it in full auto. This gun is 3 years old, and as you can see it still does a good job. And that proves that Syma makes really good guns. Thank you for watching, and if you liked the video, consider leave a thumbs up and subscribe. And if you have any questions about my gun, leave them in the comments.